G'day everyone, Average Alexis here, hoping you're having a good one. And today's tutorial is going to be, well, I don't even know if I can call it a tutorial yet. This is going to be my first ever attempt at doing a zombie bite wound with liquid latex. I've already gone ahead and put the first layer of liquid latex on. Link to my previous video where I used liquid latex will be in the description below if you want to check out the steps leading up to this. But basically from here, now this tutorial I have taken cues from a bunch of people, a bunch of other YouTubers and a bunch of pictures and stuff all over the internet, and I'm kind of making it up as I go along but hoping for the best. But yeah, so this is my take on the zombie bite wound. So I've put the first layer of liquid latex on, it's partially dry. I've got my first piece of toilet paper, I just ripped around a really loose circle. And yeah, let's get this started. I am literally doing this and hoping for the best because I really don't know how this is going to go. It might go well, it might go terribly. Maybe a bit of both. Okay, so I'm about to apply the second layer of liquid latex over the top of this one, over the top of the toilet paper. Okay, so I've just put the second layer of liquid latex over the top of this. I'm now going to start using the toilet paper to build up the bite mark itself. Again, I am literally winging this. I've never done a zombie bite wound before, so I'm guessing what I'm doing. I've just roughly rolled a few pieces of toilet paper into a circle kind of shape, semicircle, half circle, crescent moon, whatever you want to call it. Because realistically, if you're thinking about it, and a lot of people probably haven't thought about this, if you're doing a zombie bite mark, I'm gonna say that this is a creature that's gone nuts and tried to rip a piece of skin off of you. It's probably not gonna be the neatest thing in the world. So, yeah. But yeah, I'm really roughly twisting this into half circles because from what I've seen of all the other tutorials and everything I've watched leading up to this, they're not the most neat things, bite marks. I was tempted to use scar wax for the first time ever, but I thought I'd stick to my tried and true method, so yeah. Alright, so I'm just in the middle of the process of putting the third layer of liquid latex. It's just going over the top of the toilet paper that I've used to create the bite mark. Ew, I just got a really big piece of hair in it. It's looking okay. Probably not my best work, but for a first attempt, this isn't looking too bad. Okay, so I've let this dry a little bit. I'm gonna go off and I'm gonna do my hairdryer trick and let it set a little bit more before I touch it with any makeup, but this is the general shape that I'm going for. I'm kind of happy with it, kind of not. It all depends on the way that I put the makeup on it from now. But yeah, I will see you guys in a minute. Or, well, not a minute for you guys, but yeah, you get the gist of it. Okay, so it's been maybe half an hour, 45 minutes in my time. I went ahead and put foundation on most of my face. This is now dry. I used my hairdryer trick to get it to be dry faster. Word's not working, but yeah, so I'm just gonna go ahead and start putting on the foundation. So I have a rough idea of how I want to make this look more like a bite wound using the makeup. It's whether or not it works. It works in my head, but whether my head and doing it in reality are two different things. More often than not, things work out in my head and they don't work in real life. Which is why I was really apprehensive to call this a tutorial, because I didn't know how it was gonna go. You're watching my first ever attempt at doing a zombie bite wound. Or just a bite wound, whatever you want to call it. I'm saying zombie because I like my zombie. The foundation on this side caked on my face feels worse than what having liquid latex feels. So that's a rough, very roughly covered in foundation. Still a different color, but that's okay. That's alright, that's okay. You're gonna bump our gas someday. Ugh, I want to watch Bring It On now. Why do I do that to myself? Alright, so I've got this little brush here. Now I'm going to be using my Cuts and Scratches wheel, my BYS FX stuff. You guys know the drill by now. But yeah, I'm going to be using this to kind of make the teeth indents along here. Ooh, that's still got stuff on it. Oh well. But yeah, so I'm gonna take the black and I'm gonna try, because I kind of want to leave the middle free of anything, but if this doesn't work, then I will just hush my mouth and do what I was going to do first before I suddenly decided on doing this. Okay, it's kind of what I want it to be. The teeth might be a little bit big, but oh well. Trial and error. Okay. Okay, I don't mind it. It's alright. It's okay. Again, the teeth are probably a little bit big and not quite teeth, but it's all good. Okay, yeah, I'm okay with this. I'm okay with it. So now I'm taking the burgundy, this one here. And this is the point where I don't really know what I'm doing. I don't know, I guess. This is what I'm doing. Ooh, that's looking real creepy, as per usual. Gotta have that creep factor. So I might put a little bit of this in the middle, just to kinda, I might make that a bit of a bruise there. Obviously I'm not using the right color right now, but not looking too bad, I don't mind it. Okay, I don't know about the red. I'm not entirely sold on the red. I'm gonna switch to the bruise wheel now, just to try and get some of that going. Yeah, I really don't like the decision to put the red on there, but trial and error, trial and error. It looks okay. It doesn't look fantastic. It looks okay. It looks average. Such is my motto. Well, not motto. I don't know what I'm on about. I'm just tired and half asleep and blah, basically. Ooh, no. I did have a bunch of green and then it slipped onto the purple. It's a nasty looking rose, that's for sure. I'm treating this like, obviously the whole zombie thing, you get bitten, you get infected, you turn into one of them. So I'm making this like the infection is spreading kind of thing. Mainly because I'm still not happy about the red that's in there, but oh well. Still pretty creepy freaking looking. So I'm gonna go back in with the black. Try and mix this up a little bit more. Make the teeth a little bit more standy yaddy. My English is great today. Alrighty. So I'm not mad at it. It's okay for now. I'm gonna do my usual, go in with like the thick clotted blood and stuff. I think I've got the wrong brush for it, but tough luck. So this stuff I'm going to be putting right here. Oop. And if it drips, oh well. I'm probably wearing the wrong shirt for this. I'm not wearing an old shirt. I normally do wear old clothes, but for some weird reason I didn't do it today. I also am struggling to see, because once again I don't have my glasses on. I can't really wear my glasses while I'm doing this though. It's looking okay. I probably could have put a bit more coverage to cover up the skin look underneath. I might just go through and take, oh gosh, that feels weird on my fingers. I've never actually put the thick clotted blood on my fingers. I'm just gonna go through and try and fiddle with this, make it look the way I want it to look, which may or may not happen. But yeah, getting fake blood all over my fingers again. Because Apparently I have nothing better to do. Alright. I'm not mad at it. For a first attempt at a zombie bite wound, or a bite wound in general, I'm not too mad at this. I think I've done an okay job. I think I've done an average job. But yeah. And I just realised I just wiped the rest of the fake blood all over my hand, and I don't know how the hell I'm going to stop recording this, but that's what I'm dealing with. So yeah, that's all it is to it, guys. But that's a wrap for this video. Thanks heaps for watching. Like and subscribe if you want to. Believe in yourself and be you, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye guys! I kind of want to go out to basketball like this tonight just to annoy everybody because I can.